Students, welcome to the English class. I hope you all are happy and fine. And I also hope that you have done your examinations very well, and also we have enjoyed your holidays too. So let us come back to our classes once again. Okay, dear students, today in this class we are going to start a new poem from our English book. That is part 2, lesson number 9. And what is the name of the poem? Yes, the name of the poem is My Kite. Okay, so today we are going to discuss. Now, what is the meaning of kite? As you all know, you can see in the picture, it is something made of a paper and people used to fly it on the sky. And it is very interesting. We have to pull and push the kite with the help of a long string. Okay, it seems to be very easy, students, but it is not very easy to fly a kite. Even I myself also tried it sometimes, but I could not. Alright, okay students, so in this particular lesson, that is lesson 9, My Kite, first today we are going to put emphasis on a very important topic, that is rhyming words. So what are rhyming words? Let us discuss on it. Now, rhyming words are the words that ends with same sound. Okay, so what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words that ends with same sounds. For example, here, so I have taken the examples of mat, bat, rat and cat, and also I have taken one more example, that is hen, pen and ten. So the particular word, that means few words that always ends with the same sounds. For generally we find these rhyming words in poems. Okay, we find out the rhyming words in the poem. So these are the words that we find out from the poem that ends with same sounds. Okay, we will be discussing on it with the help of a particular poem. Alright, so here I have given an example for MAT mat, BAT bat, RAT rat and CAT cat. So what else you can see here? What we have seen here, that it ends with same similar sounds. Okay, mat, rat, bat and cat. Here the spellings are different, here the meanings are different, but here pronunciation is almost same. Okay, and the next one is hen, 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 pen, PEN, pen and ten, TEN, ten. That is hen, pen, ten. So you can say that as a rhyming words. Okay students, so once again I am repeating it. Rhyming words are the words that ends with same sound, and I hope it is clear to you. Now, what is the learning outcome of today's class? So the learning outcome of today's class is the students will be able to identify and define rhyming words. Okay, so you will understand what is rhyming words, as we have already discussed the definition of it in the earlier slide, and also you will be able to identify the rhyming words in one of the warm-up activities that we will do now. All right, now here, next one, the warm-up activity. What you can see, students, you can see here, let's find out rhyming words from the given poem. So here I have given a nursery poem that you have learned in your nursery classes, Rain, Rain, Go Away. Okay, it is a very, very interesting poem. Now here in this particular poem, what you can see, we have to find out few of the rhyming words from here. So let us read this poem first. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Okay, so in this particular poem, students, what we can see, what we have learned, what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words that ends with same sound. So can you find here, rain, rain, go away, away. Come again some other day. So here, what are the similar sounds? You can find it here, away and day. So these two words, they have different spellings, they have different meanings, but the pronunciation, but they ends with the same sounds, away and day. Little Johnny wants to play. Again, in the third line, you can see play, P-L-A-Y, play. It also ends with the same sound. So away, day and play. So these three words are almost the same, ends with the same sound. So these are the rhyming words the rhyming words that we have found here are away, day, play and away. The last line is almost same. All right, I feel that you have understood it very well. So likewise, whatever the poem we will be discussing now onwards, we will find out all the rhyming words in the poem, and you can also practice few of the rhyming words that you can take out from net, or you can find out the rhymes in some other books, and it will be very interesting for you to find out the rhyming words. All right. Okay, so this is all about rhyming words. Now the keywords. So the keywords or the new words that we have got in this particular poem that we are going to discuss in this poem are: number 1, rises, R-I-S-E-S, rises. The next one is bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Third one, left, L-E-F-T, left. Next one, right. R-I-G-H-T, right. The next one, avobe, A-V-O-V-E, avobe. And the last one is delight, D-E-L-I-G-H-T, delight. So we have these new words in this particular poem: rises, bright, left, right, avobe, and delight. So I will be discussing the meaning along with the pictures in my next class. Okay. Now the next one is the rhyming words. Now what are the rhyming words that we are going to find in this particular poem? Number one we will be getting is flip flap. F-L-I-P, flip, F-L-A-P, flap, flip, flap. So these are the very important rhyming words that we are going to get in this particular poem. The next one is kite, K-I-T-E, kite, bright, delight. So we have three rhyming words together for this, together, kite, bright, and delight. So bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright, and it also rhymes with delight, D-E-L-I-G-H-T, delight. So it will be kite, bright, and delight. Afterwards, the last one is left and right, L-E-F-T, left, R-I-G-H-T, right. So these three rhyming words we are going to get in this particular poem. Let us revise it once again. Flip, flap, kite, bright, delight, and left and right. So once we will learn this poem, we will be reading this poem in our next class. We will be discussing these rhyming words once again. Okay, now a very important part of today's class is questions for assessing competences. So from now in every class we will be discussing a particular question, two of the questions. Today I have taken one question as it is the beginning. So what we have to do here, the question for assessing competences, that means I'm going to assess what you have understood from today's class, and this particular question I have given today in this class, but I will be discussing this particular question in my live class, in my Zoom class. So I will be interacting with you all, and I will be asking this particular words or the questions we will be discussing, and you will be giving me the answers. Now what is the question? Give the rhyming words for the following words. So now we have to give the rhyming words from our own. That means you have to give the rhyming words from these three given words from your own. The first one is Nani, N-I-N-Y, Nani. Now what are the rhyming words you will use? That is up to you. So it will be different from student to student. It is not that your and my rhyming words will be the same one. So it will be different. Now, Nani, tree, and box. So all these three rhyming words I will be discussing in my next live class, and you will be giving me the answers of that. Okay, and finally let us come to the summary of today's class. So today in this class, first we have discussed the rhyming words, the definition. So what are the rhyming words? The rhyming words are the words that ends with the same sounds, and also we have learned the new words and the rhyming words from the lesson. So whatever the rhyming words are given in this particular lesson 9 poem My Kite, we have discussed this. So my dear students, I hope the conception of rhyming words is very much clear to you, and in my next class we will be discussing the poem, we will be doing the reading of the poem, and we will be discussing and revising the rhyming words once again. So till then, take care, bye bye, and also learn